350 grams of boiled potatoes, 1 chopped onion about 55 grams, 50 grams poha, freshly chopped 20 mint leaves, 2 chopped garlic cloves, 1 chopped green chili, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves. So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe. Cook the potatoes about 80%, then grate them while they are still warm. Then add green chili, garlic, onion, mint leaves, rinse the poha gently, then drain out all the water. And then squeeze out the excess water from the poha and add the poha to the rest of the ingredients. Then add coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala, half teaspoon Red Chilli Flakes, add 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. Now give it a good mix with a fork. Grease your palms with a little oil so the mixture doesn't stick. Take a small portion, make a ball and flatten it into a cutlet. And make sure the cutlet is nice and smooth. Coat the cutlet with rice flour. Heat oil for shallow frying and gently place the cutlet into the pot. Let it cook on medium flame for 5 minutes on each side. Turn it over and fry for a minute on both sides on medium flame. And our potato poha cutlet is ready. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!